welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys on how to create a page on your WordPress website. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now and also click on the notification bell so that you won't miss important updates when I drop them. So very quickly, you must have logged into your WordPress dashboard. So you provide your username and your password as user, or your email address and your password, then you click on login and come to a page like this. So you at the left hand panel you see some couple of libraries. So you just click on the pages, as you can see. Once you hover on the pages, you see all pages, add new pages. So what we want to do here, we want to add new page. And also you can see all pages if maybe you've created countless or you want to see all the number of pages you've created. So you just click on this. So let's just add new page for today. So you click on add new page. Alright, so from here you'll give your page a name. So let's say I want my page to be That's Me. So once you're done, you just okay. You can give your page a description, you can add media using the default WordPress editor, or you can use the avatar editor, which is the backend builder and live builder. So this comes with the avatar theme. So once you install the avatar theme, it will come with the default page builder, which is the live builder. Okay, so for now we're just using the default WordPress builder. So you will just once you're done, um you can give your page the description that will appear. So once you're done, you will head over to the publish at the right hand side. Okay, so you can see it here. You just click on publish. So currently I'm using a local host builder. So I did a video for that. If you want to be able to use WordPress locally on computer, I have the video. So I'll put a video on my description so that you can also install WordPress locally on your computer. So I'm using the XAMPP and the WordPress. So that is that. You can come here every time and update your page. So if you want to see the page you just published, you click on the all pages. Okay, so as you can see, this is the page I just published. You contact me, and you can come here and see the date it was published, date and time. So that is that. So if okay, so my next video I'll be showing you on how to add the page to your menu. So if this video helps you, kindly give it a like and also share to others that want to learn this. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.